You have to understand, how do you cuddle poor when you're just giving a small amount? And we have to understand, ano ba talaga ang 4Ps? We're giving allowances to children for them to go to school. And every time I have conversations with a lot of people, lagi kong tinatanong, I don't know if everyone could relate, ano ba yung lagi sinasabi ng mga magulang natin growing up? Wala kaming ibang pwedeng ipamana sa inyo kundi education. At once na educated kayo, you'll have all the possibilities in the world. And that's what we do in 4Ps. Ano ba ang challenges ng mga mahihirap? Education is free, di ba? At maraming mga schools sa mga bawat barangays.
Schools, yeah.
However, what hinders the poor to go to school? Kasi they're hungry coming to school. They don't have any allowances, and that's where we come in. We ask them to go to school, and after they are attending school, we give them their allowance. Kaya nga tinawag na conditional cash transfer. They have to go to school first. Once they go to school, we give them the money. So doon kami nag-i-invest. Siguro nakikita natin wala tayong nakukuhang immediate return, but our main purpose is patapusin namin sila ng high school. And that's coming back to sinabi ko kanina, yun yung gusto nating ipamana na yung mga bata makapag-aral sila.